Hey, what's up people, hope you all are having a great day. Today we will discuss about the PC components. Finally, I am building my own gaming PC. Hope you will have a great time while watching the video. Like or dislike the video and comment your thoughts in comment section so YouTube can recommend my video to the other people. So without wasting your time, let's get started. I won't be going too deep or too technical about the components. I'll just explain why I chose these components and their specifications. The first component I chose was this set of screwdriver and bits. It has up to 80 different bits, one screwdriver body, one tweezer, 4 different prying tools and one suction cup. The second component was CPU. I chose the Ryzen 5 5600X. It has 6 core, 12 threads, 65 watts of TDP, 32 MB of L3 cache, based on TSMC 7nm FinFET technology or architecture. In real life, it beats Intel's i5 11600K. The third component is motherboard. For motherboard, I chose MSI B550 Pro VDH Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi from Intel, Bluetooth 5.0. It supports Gen 4 NVMe, supports 5000 series AMD processors, consists of 4 double-phased VRM, one 12x PCIe slot. The fourth component is SSD. For SSD, I chose Kingston's A2000 250GB NVMe SSD. It has up to 2GB write and read speeds, and the price to performance ratio is awesome. The fifth component is RAM. For RAM, I chose XPG's D60G 3200 MHz of 16GB RAM. It has a timing of CL16, 18, 18 and 18. It has Samsung's B die, so it is very good for overclocking up to 3600 MHz. The RGB can be controlled by motherboard software. The sixth component is PSU. For PSU, I chose Cooler Masters MWV V2 750 watts 80 plus bronze certified power supply unit. It has good reputation in PSU manufacturing and less complaints about the PSU. The seventh component is graphics card. For graphics card, I chose Asus GT710 for temporary purpose. As of right now, there is a GPU crisis due to inflation, Bitcoin mining and scalping. In future, I will be buying RTX 3060 maybe in Q2 of 2022. And now moving to the GT710, it is released on 2014. It is based on 8nm architecture. The variant I chose GDDR5 of 2GB VRAM and it has VGA, 1 HDMI and 1 DVI port. The eighth component is cabinet. For cabinet, I chose MSI Mag 4 Gen Radar. It has 2 ARGB fans at front and 1 non-ARGB fan at rear. And it has 2 3.2 Gen USB ports on front I/O and 1 LED controller or RGB controller, 1 power on and 1 restart button, and 1 mic and 1 headphone jack. The ninth component is hard disk drives. For hard disk drive, the first drive I chose Seagate's 2TB 5400 RPM 3.5 inch hard disk drive, and the second one is 2.5 inch 1TB 5400 RPM hard disk drive from Seagate or Toshiba. And the last component is monitor. For monitor, I chose AOC's C24G1 24-inch in size. It has 144Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB, and 97% of DCI-P3 color gamut. It has height and tilt adjustment. It has one power adapter, one headphone jack, one VGA connector, one display port, and two HDMI ports. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, like or dislike the video so YouTube can recommend my video to the other people. You can buy all the products from the link in description, and all the links in the description are affiliated from Amazon. So if you buy anything from Amazon, will give me a little bit commission. And subscribe to my gaming channel known as Geek Plays, where I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare series or all AAA titles. Channel link is in the description, and PC building video will arrive after a week. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching the video, and peace.